Yo, boys, we are about to pump this to the moon before I rug this. Stay tuned. And boys, as you could see, this is the end result of a little pump that I did, and I just rugged the crap out of everyone. We did get this to about a 30K market cap, and this is pretty simple. I'm going to teach you guys step by step, so stay tuned and watch this whole video. So if you stumbled upon this video right here, please listen to me. Meme coins is the new gold rush. Like, I guarantee you there is no other opportunity in the whole world where you can make money like meme coins, no matter where you are. It doesn't matter what part of the country you live in. If you live in India, if you live in America, if you live in Mexico, whatever it is, Germany, whatever it is, you could make money straight from your laptop, from your phone, if you follow this method that I'm going to teach you step by step in this video. So stay tuned. All right, so right now we're looking at Pump.Fun right here, which is obviously a lot of you guys know is just a platform where you could create your own tokens and actually start rugging people and, you know, investing in coins, whatever it is. Look at this one. This one's kind of funny. Yeah, but anyways, getting back to what I was talking about, right? So Pump.Fun, it's, you know, user friendly. A lot of people use it, but in my opinion, it's just not that good when we're talking about the meme coin space, because there's just far better platforms where you could actually create your own coin and you're just able to manage the money and profits way easier, and you don't need a lot of skill to actually start doing this. This website is actually going to be called Memefast.fun right here. So Memefast.fun, whoops, just like that, and it's gonna take you to the website right here. So my fault, it's right here. So here it is, memefast.fund. I've been using it for fairly a while when I started this journey in terms of actually, you know, rugging people and, you know, exiting the liquidity from my token. And I'm pretty much going to teach you how I do it step by step. So just a quick rundown of memefast.fund. It does have the opportunity to create your coin right here. You could literally put any token name, any token symbol, and just an image that's 500 by 500. That doesn't take a lot of skill. You're able to manage the liquidity. Once you create the token, you're able to, you know, manage the liquidity. And when people buy it, you're able to exit or take away all liquidity from the token. And right here is a new feature they just added on copying coins. And this one I like the best because you are able to capitalize on anything that is trending. And if you guys know, when it comes to the meme coin space, this is a screenshot of one of my wallets. When it comes to the meme coin space, you have to be fast. You have to have speed, because if you know anything about money, speed loves money. So speed is very important. I'm going to write this down right here for you guys. You have to have speed. And what I mean by having speed is when you go up here to, you know, any sort of DEX, like let's say we're talking about right here, right? We're talking about any of these coins. Look how fast they're getting created. They're getting like, they're all becoming, you know, popular like super quick. And when you see one of these tokens that people are investing in, so example, like the Trump coin, that other one, Libra, I forgot how you pronounce it. Those all had duplicates of itself that all made money because people were just copying the token that were getting super popular, and people were investing in the copy of the coin because they didn't know, you know, like if it was the real one, whatever it is. So what I mean by having speed is you're going to capitalize on that opportunity when there's already a trending token. This is why I love this feature so much, because you could literally do that. For example, this coin right here is King of the Hill, right? And this should be on Pump.Fun usually. So right here, this is King of the Hill. If we're able to create that coin and copy it, people are going to see our coin and it's going to get published on the Radium DEX. So when you go on these DEXs and you screen for Radium only, it's going to get published right here, and people are going to have it's just going to give us a way better opportunity to actually get buyers and investors, because it's going to be on the Radium DEX. The market cap is going to be way higher when compared to tokens on on Pump.Fun. And it's just going to give us a whole lot more opportunities to get buyers, to get investors, and for us to make more money when we rug the actual token. So boys, this is one of the best features. I highly recommend using it. And if you aren't using it, there is obviously the original way to actually go step by step to creating your token. I have actually made a couple videos on step by step on how to actually create your token. It's just, I guess, going for what you want to do, but I have told you guys there is different ways to actually do your market research when it comes to like Twitter, finding out what's, trending on Twitter. You kind of want to copy that. Once you copy that, then you're going to send it to a bunch of Telegram groups that have over, a bunch of like people in it, or you could literally just go up here and you could put crypto Telegram groups right here. Make sure they're groups, not channels. You just join it right here, join it, and then you just copy and paste your coin, and it's literally going to get put out to all these people right here. And I guarantee you people are going to want to buy, especially if you use the, one of these things that's already trending, or you could literally use the, the copy the trending coins, and you could say, hey, yo guys, this is the next opportunity. This is a trending token, whatever, send the token when it's literally your token. And then they think, oh, they search it up. Oh, this token is pumping, but they see it. They don't see that it's, the real one, but you put yours, you copy it, and boom, you're getting buyers just like that. It really is that simple, guys. Do not overcomplicate this. There is, plenty of opportunities and money every single day for all of you guys to make money. And I know this video really isn't that long. The whole purpose wasn't to make it long, but it was just kind of to show you guys about this copy feature that Memecoin has implemented. I have not seen it anywhere else. I actually did try it on another platform and it was pretty bad. Like, there was no way to actually remove the liquidity from the token, and it was just really bad in terms of copying the actual token. I wanted it to be copied, and I have heard reviews of other platforms. It wasn't that good. Memefast definitely has the best one, and I highly recommend it, guys. If you guys want to actually see a little bit more in depth on how to actually create the token or coin and then manage the liquidity pool and how to create the liquidity, all that, I do have other videos in my profile, in my actual library. So make sure you guys watch those videos. There's actually a tutorial right here, guys. So if you do want to start rugging, make sure you guys watch this video. I am doing a 1 soul giveaway. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to be giving 1 soul away to a lucky winner. So stay tuned.